Gallery glass. Super fun and easy. You can do it with your kids, your mom, your monkey. You might have one. If you get bored with it, when you're done later on, you can peel it off and put it on something else. I got a projector. Or you could just get a printout of whatever picture you like off the internet and put that behind your piece of glass that you're going to do, and then outline that and then put the liquid lead over it. You can also buy the liquid leading lines already made, or you can freehand them on, well, I use a plastic Ziploc bag and then let them dry and put them on. You can mix two colors together here on your design, or you can do it in a bottle. Ready, set. Gallery glass has a clear that you can do circles or swirls with to get this effect in the background.